Hi guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Today we are diving into the world of Node.js. But that's not all. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Node.js on your local system. So stick around for that and let's get started. What is Node.js? Well, it's not just your ordinary JavaScript. Node.js is a runtime environment that is built on top of the Chrome's V8 engine. You see, when you normally use JavaScript, it runs on your browser, allowing you to create interactive web pages. But there are certain limitations. We cannot access our local file system or perform low-level tasks with standard JavaScript. That's where Node.js comes in. It was created by taking the V8 JavaScript engine, the very heart of the Google Chrome, and supercharging it with additional features to make it perfect for server-side tasks. It's like taking an engine from a car and customizing it to power a truck. Node.js uses V8 as its core, but tailored to handle server-side tasks efficiently. What you can do with Node.js, you ask? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can handle file operations, perform asynchronous operations, build servers, and so much more. Because Node.js is designed to run on your local system, it has differences from regular JavaScript. So that was just a simple intro to what is Node.js. Since it's basically JavaScript, so you don't have to learn any new language if you are already known with JavaScript. Now let's see how to install Node.js. First, open up your browser and search Node.js. From the result, open the first link, nodejs.org. This is the official site. On the screen, you can see two versions, LTS, which means long-term support, and current version. The LTS or the long-term support version is stable and reliable for production use with extended support, whereas current version contains the latest features but may be less stable, suitable for development and experimentation. I will recommend you download the LTS version. Save it and it will start the download. It's about 30 MB of size. Once installer is downloaded, open it, click on next. This will not show up if it's your first time. If it shows, just click change. Again click next and hit change. This will start the installation. Give it time it needs depending upon your system, and once it's done, click finish. Now open command prompt and type node ---- version and hit enter. It will show the version if told as installed. Now Node comes pre-bundled with the Node Package Manager or NPM. To check that, type npm ---- version and it will show the version as well. Now let's try Node.js with some code. Open up VS Code and select a folder to create files. Let's create a file. The extension will be .js since it's JavaScript only. Since it's JavaScript out of the browser, so we can console log anything. Save the file. Now to run the file, open your terminal, type node followed by the file name, then press enter. And there we are. Text is console logged in the terminal. So that's how you run JavaScript on your local system using Node.js. Hope you found this video useful and you got an idea. If you had any problem, you can rewind and rewatch the video. Share this video with your friends and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.